what I have. Ta-da! I have top tube! And I'm gonna open them with you guys. Look, there's a pack of 4. They're so cute. Let's open it up. I already opened them and look. Wow, they're so cool. Okay. And fun fact, did you know that these are my dream fidgets? Now I have my dream fidgets. And an infinity cube was also my dream fidget, and I already have it. And I already have one. So I'm really happy to have all my dream fidgets. Whoa, I love it. Okay, now let's try it. Okay, first, let's try the green one. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh, sorry guys. Okay, well, super cool. Okay, now the pink one. Okay, I'm just gonna do an ASMR not talk. Let's go. Let's make them smaller. All done, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. I love you guys so much.